Summers के लिए printed shirts are a great piece of style. They are cool, they are comfortable, and they are always going to make you look fashionable, something which is a little out of the box. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको 5 बहुत डिफरेंट तरीके की printed shirts दिखाने वाला हूँ, from abstract prints to geometric prints to bandana prints, etc. And the best part about these are that even though they are a little different from our regular shirts, they are still very easy to style. Hi, my name is Vaibhav Kesmani, your image and style coach. If you want to become a better you, make sure you subscribe to this channel और हजारों style inspiration के लिए मेरा Instagram जरूर check कर लेना. Before moving on to these shirts, let me tell you some do's and don'ts about styling printed shirts. First things first, do not go for loud colors like yellow, light green, etc. because they are very difficult to style and high chances वो आप पे सूट ना करे. Second is, जब भी आप prints pick कर रहे हो, do not go for too many colors in a print or do not go for high contrasting prints. The only problem with high contrast print or prints with too many colors is उनको style करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है. Instead, go for prints जिसमें similar family of colors हो, वो ज़्यादा easy to style भी होगा and will always look way more classy. Third thing is, you need to understand that a printed shirt is always going to be the highlight or the statement piece of your outfit. तो उसके अलावा जितनी भी चीज़ें जो आपका bottom wear है, जो आपका foot wear है, जो आपकी accessories हैं, they really need to be toned down and minimal. Otherwise, that is not going to look put together. Let me quickly tell you a little bit about these 5 shirts and what sort of prints they are, and then we are going to move to the styling part. The first one on my list is this abstract printed shirt. I absolutely love the minimal red detailing that the brand has given. इसके red की सबसे ज़्यादा खास बात ही ये है कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा toned down red है and the color combination is such with off white जिससे ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा म्यूटेड लगता है. Had it been red with white, stark white, मैं ये चीज़ सजेस्ट नहीं करता. However, this is a very nicely muted down color and it looks very nice when you wear it on an Indian skin tone especially. Other than that, the fit of the shirt is actually great and the camp collar just makes it look very stylish. This is a great shirt if you're going for a vacation at a tropical place, गोवा जा रहे हो, बाली जा रहे हो, थाईलैंड जा रहे हो, etc. और अगर आपको अपने normal cities में पहननी है, then for sundowners you can definitely pick this one up. Next up on my list is a very classy printed shirt. इसकी काफी ज़्यादा boho aesthetics हैं and I absolutely like the color combination that the brand has given. Now if you see, there is a vertical pattern which is given on this shirt और जो pattern है वो बहुत ज़्यादा small है. इससे होगा क्या कि आपकी जो body है, आपकी physique है, it is going to give a slimmer effect, making your body look more structured and making this shirt very appropriate to style in summers. This is one of those shirts जो आप dress up भी कर सकते हो, dress down भी कर सकते हो. If you really want to wear this at a party, etc., you can literally just tuck this shirt in and you'll be good to go. You're definitely going to get compliments. और अगर बहुत ही ज़्यादा chill, laid back vibe देनी है, pair it with a tank and a very nice pants and you'll be good to go in that case as well. Next up is not an overall printed shirt but with very minimal detailing, which is of a patch over here and some embroidery detailing around the pockets that the brand has given over here. Now this is a great pick for those people who are starting off with shirts which has some sort of prints. काफी सारे लोग by default comfortable होते हैं prints पहनने में, but काफी सारे लोग uncomfortable भी होते हैं because they used to wearing solids. Now if you fall into that category, a shirt like this can be a great pick. Now another reason why I picked this shirt is because of the color that the brand has given. It is a teal blue, not a regular blue, जिससे ये shirt काफी ज़्यादा interesting दिखती है. The patch over here just makes it very appropriate for the beaches and इसमें 15% लिनन ब्लेंड भी है जिससे ये ज़्यादा ब्रीदेबल और समर्स के लिए बेटर हो जाती है बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड लाइट वेट. एक प्रिंट बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हुआ था, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में आया था. द वन दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर is a bandana print like this one जो shirts पे आजकल आता है and it looks very interesting. However, bandana print ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा common हो गया था और हर कोई पहन के घूम रहा था. But this one is a little different only because the base color is beige. इस कलर पे मैंने आज तक bandana print नहीं देखा and I personally feel कि this looks really cool. This is one of those shirts जो आप literally अपने college में पहन सकते हो, आप अगर party करने जा रहे हो तब पहन सकते हो, गोवा जा रहे हो चिल करने तब पहन सकते हो. Even for sundowners and date, this shirt can literally be used. That is the kind of versatility it has and that is only because of the color scheme which the brand has given, which is very nice and relaxed. इस shirt की overall vibe भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा cool और laid back है with a relaxed fit. I feel summers के लिए ऐसी shirts wardrobe में होना काफ़ी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, especially on those days when you just want to chill. Last but not the least, I have a printed shirt which is rather classy. The one that I'm talking about here is this one. The only reason why I feel that this is more classy and semi-formal is firstly because एक तो ये full sleeves है तो ये आपको resort shirt वाली vibe नहीं देगी. Secondly, the print on it is also of the similar family of colors, so styling it becomes very easy. This is one of those printed shirts जो आप tuck in करके भी बहुत easily पहन सकते हो and it is going to look very classy and appropriate more than the laid back vibe which most of the printed shirts over here are giving. Apart from that, it is a very nice digital print. बीच में थोड़ा paisley design है, making it look even more royal and classy. Even though this looks very expensive, this shirt is a very affordable one. Lastly, again, क्योंकि इसके print में बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम gap है, तो इससे भी ना एक वो जो स्लिमिंग इफेक्ट है कहीं ना कहीं आएगा, which is a great deal, especially for summers, especially when you don't have that option to layer. Now that I'm done showing you these shirts, let's move on to my favorite part of this video, which is the styling part. भी पहनोगे, it is going to make a statement. So make sure you add a couple of them in your wardrobe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Stay stylish.